It's my first morning, Kamala Beach. Just decided to come down for a walk. Got a bag of mangosteens. Found a nice seat. Enjoy the coolness of the morning before it gets too hot. I arrived yesterday. Yesterday it was really hot here. It's nice now, but if it doesn't get too hot later, I might hire a push bike, go for a ride around. Pack up my rubbish now and go for a walk, but that's a bad one. And there's two of those. It's a nice little cafe here, right on the water. 2 or 3 of them. I think when I was looking, I think that one there with the blue around it, I think it was a pretty cheap room, but it's a bit old. So this restaurant here takes care of all their sand, picks up all the rubbish, sweeps their path, and that sand's got no rubbish in there at all. Good restaurant, well managed. Lilo Island Restaurant and Bar. Yeah, this one's the same. Wonder who owns this. From that corner back there where that restaurant starts, this cement wall, this concrete wall, all the way, I don't know how far it goes, but this is all vacant land. That vacant land finishes there. Although the road comes in a little bit narrow there, mostly it was about 100 metres deep, and I reckon that's got to be, I'll have to go home and look on the map, but I reckon that's got to be 600 or 800 metres of vacant land on the beachfront at Kamala. Nice little lounges there. Sit and have a relax, have a drink. Well, I've just found a little map here of the whole beach. That's where I ate my mangosteens this morning, and I'm about here now, almost at the end. That's the end just there. And all this land I was talking about runs from here to here, almost half the beach. Here it says Islamic Cemetery, and here it says Pinewood. So I don't know, maybe this will never be developed on. And there's that little road I was telling you about. Wow. I'm walking back past that land and I've had another look, and yeah, it is a cemetery. Looks like an old one. It's sort of like a little row of them there. More over here. So this land will probably never be built on, I suppose, eh? There's some more over there. I can't see them everywhere, but most of it just looks like vacant land. Unless they're really old and they're just overgrown, not maintained. Anyway, there you got almost half of Kamala Beach, beachfront real estate, probably never be built on. Maybe. This one here's got your coffees and your sweetened drinks, popcorn. This one over here's got the somtam and barbecue chicken. The man's cooking the chicken on the coals. They're all the ingredients of somtam, and they would have sticky rice, I imagine. Soup. Popcorn, coffee, somtam, yeah, limes, chilies, barbecue chicken. Bloody cup. Fresh vegetables. What the place means. Side cup. More coffee. Dropped my washing off up this little street yesterday. Come across this really nice little garden. Might be a nursery actually. It's really well cared for, isn't it? Sweep the roads, really clean. Lovely. Motorbike shop.